Welcome to Masterclass with Jesus, where his words still guide our walk. Today's insight: love thy neighbor. In Luke 10:25-37, Jesus is asked, "Who is my neighbor?" His answer: a parable. A man is beaten and left for dead. A priest passes by. A Levite passes by. But then, a Samaritan, a man from a group despised by the Jews, he stops. He binds the man's wounds, pays for his care, and ensures his recovery. Jesus then asks, which of these three was a neighbor? The answer is clear: the one who showed mercy. And Jesus says, go and do likewise. In a world that often says, take care of your own, Jesus says, love beyond borders. While society lifts up status, Jesus lifts up sacrifice. Where the world rewards selfishness, Jesus honors compassion. Where others pass by, love stops and helps. The Good Samaritan wasn't just nice, he acted at personal cost. That's love in motion. That's what Jesus meant when he said in Matthew 22:39, love your neighbor as yourself. So today, the question isn't, who is my neighbor? It's, will I be one? This is Masterclass with Jesus. Until next time, go and do likewise. Peace and love.
I am your host, despised. Until the next episode, peace and love.
We must act today.
'Cause tomorrow might be too late.
Tomorrow is too late.
Children of the world, let's get together.